Dean, what redress do groups or classes of claimants have in cyber litigation?
It's a very interesting concept that I think something that is much more widespread in the States than it is in the UK. And so what is tending to happen, and I think particularly lending itself to data and cyber cases, is that we are seeing the growth of group actions. And it's important to clarify the distinction between the terminology here. There's no such thing in English law as class actions. There are group litigation orders, there are representative actions, which tend to be classified effectively as group actions. The key to those is that, and certainly the Lloyd and Google case, which is well known and referred to in our cyber litigation book, is one of those which is representative of a form of class action or group action, I should more properly say. And the common interest test really is the one that permeates that. And that's where a group of individuals who have a common interest in an outcome. So in other words, their data asset may be of a similar class. It may be a personal data asset or some such. And they band together to bring a representative or group action, group litigation order, sometimes depending on what the court sanctions, so that a number of claimants can bring a particular common action against one or more of the defendants. And these certainly, in my opinion, will become more used in the English legal system. They will become more common. They will become much more in practice. As I say, Lloyd and Google being a good example, although actually, ironically, it dealt with issues in the States and likely to be litigated in the States, but very much a common interest type scenario. A lot of the common interest scenarios that we're seeing are on the basis of loss of control of personal data, very much things which have been given life, as it were, by virtue of the General Data Protection Regulations, which again is a subject for a later discussion. But definitely the common interest matters, the common interest subject matter, definitely fueled by things such as loss of control of personal data. And so my view is that whilst I'm not anticipating the floodgates of group litigation being open for the next several years, I do anticipate certainly significant growth in respect of representative and group actions.